Dear students, today we are going to continue with chapter number 8, commands in Logo. So today we are going to learn few more commands, and with the help of these commands you will be able to draw your own shapes. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, again we are going to start MSW logo. So you all know what are the steps. Click on start button, click on all programs, just search for the folder of MSW logo. Here it is, just then click on it. MSW logo screen will start. See here, MSW logo screen is started. So today we are going to learn some more commands. So today the command that we are going to learn is the hide turtle or show turtle command. Hiding and showing the command. To hide a command or to show a command, in the last class I told you how to hide or show the turtle. See here, the turtle is visible. If we are typing ht command to hide the turtle, press enter, see the turtle is not visible. Clear? See again, when you are typing st, that is show turtle command, press enter key, see the turtle is visible on the screen. Okay, so hiding and showing a turtle is very much important while we are drawing any figure. Okay, now we are going to learn on pen commands. Turtle has a pen to draw a line on the screen. You can lift the pen up or down with the help of pen commands. To check this, what will you do? So let's draw a line first. So we are going to draw a square today, and while drawing a square we are going to learn some more commands. So first of all, we are going to type with fd command. Fd space 50. I'm typing and entering. See here, it is fd 50. Now what I'm going to do, I will be showing you the pen up and pen down command here. When I'm typing pen up command, this will draw a line on the screen. Turtle has a pen which draws a line on the screen. If you want to move the turtle without drawing a line behind, then use this command. It will lift the turtle pen up from the screen. See here, what will you do? See, while I'm moving my turtle from one position to another, it is drawing a line. But when we use pen up command, it will draw it will go from one location to another, but it will not draw any line. See here, see, first of all let's use pu command. Pen up, pu, enter, pen up. We have done pen up. Now we are going to move the turtle forward. We are going to move the turtle forward again by 50 steps. So let's make it fd space 50, enter, and see, turtle has moved forward but without drawing line. Okay, so here you have learned that when we are using pu command, that is pen up command, it is just taking off the pen from the screen and not drawing any line while performing any kind of commands on the screen. Okay, so next, to bring your pen down, what will you do? You have to type pd, that is pen down. Okay, and press enter key. I have just pressed pd and entered, and see here, pen has come down. Now to check it, what will we do? This time I am going to draw bk command, that is backward command, and backward space 50. Okay, and see what happens. It is drawing a line. It is drawing a line. Clear? Now I need to go more back by 50 steps without drawing a line. What will I do? I will be using pu command. So pu, enter, Okay, PU. Now I'm going back by 50 steps. Enter. See, I have come back. Clear? Now see, as a whole we have made a line of 100 steps. A line of 100 steps. Now I am going to move my turtle to the right. So RT space 90 you can draw. This is the 90-degree, and see it is moving right by 90-degree. Now what are we going to do? We will be pressing FD space 100, enter. It is not drawing any line because we have already used PU command. We need to bring our pen down to draw a line. Clear? See what we will do. Now first of all we need to go back first. So BK command, BK space 100, and see we are coming back. Now we need to press the PD command, pen down. We need to bring our pen down first. So PD space, sorry, no need to provide space, PD, enter. Pen is already down. Now this time FD space 100, and see it is drawing a line. Clear? Now we are going to learn one more command which is very much important, that is pen erase command or PE command. This command is used to erase a line while moving the turtle. Okay, so for example, let's type FD space 50, press enter. Okay, sorry, FD space 50, press enter. Here we have made a line forward by 50. See here, by mistake I have made a line of 50 steps but I wanted a line of 30 steps. So what will I do here? I need to erase some part of this line. So for this, first of all I will be activating PE command, that is pen erase command. So provide PE, press enter. Pen erase command is activated here. Now what will I do? I need to subtract 20 steps from here. So I will be using BK command with 20 steps, and see what happens. It is erasing 20 steps from 50. So how much is left here? 30 steps. Okay, so like this we can erase some part of a line by using pen erase commands. Okay, now we are going to learn about one more command, that is the home command. Home command is used to take the turtle back to its home from any position by leaving the line behind. So whatever we are doing, it brings your turtle to the home position. Okay, now see here, to bring your turtle to its home position, what you can do, you will be typing HOME home and press enter. And see here, your turtle is at the home position. Clear? Now if you want to close this window, simply you will be typing BYE, buy, and press enter, and see here logo screen is closed. Clear? Now at last we are going to learn how to make a figure using logo. So let's start. See here, we have started MSW logo, and very fast, very quick, we are going to make a square. So first we are typing, to draw a square, what we require, FD 100, enter. Okay, then RT 90, RT space 90 to turn it to the right side. Then again FD 100, again RT 90, again FD 100, then again RT 90, again FD 100, and see here we have made a square. Okay, now we need to hide the turtle. What will you do? We will be using HT command, hide turtle command, HT enter, and see the turtle is hidden and your square is available here. So like this you can draw different shapes. You can make a house as well. Okay, so this is very much important. This is very much required. This is one of the very important step. This is a basic step in the field of programming. Okay, so with this the chapter is over. You can try making shapes, figure using this. Thank you all of you.